Hello friends, this is tutorial number 2 in this C++ programming language tutorials. Okay, in the previous tutorial we installed code blocks and we set up our C++ IDE and we printed a Hello World application. And now let's go deeper later in this our program. Okay, we have a text hello world of C++. Okay, we can simply change that text, and we need to write with in double quotes. Okay, we will left these double quotes and we will write some question. For example, what is your name? Okay, and of course we can use build and run. Okay, what is your name? Nothing special about it. We have this question instead of hello world. Okay, let's explain a little this program. Okay, this main is our main function. Okay, we can you will see we can have a couple of functions inside within our application, but everything will start from here. And this cout we are using this Airstream is a library that we are using, and cout is a calling a stream from this library, and we tell to our program what to do, and we simply this is only a command from printing. We telling to our application what do you want, what do we want to print, and we printing this text, and it will be printed. And this returns 0. It will return always 0 when our program is working fine. But it will not return 0 when we have some error. But we will have error, trust me, a lot of them. And okay, and this end it is a command from the new line. Okay, I can and every command we need to we need to end with semicolon. Okay, but now we can simply delete this end line, and but if we want, when we the most important thing, when we are changing our code and want to run, we need to use build and run to run with that changes that we made. Okay, let's build and run, and as you can see we have it's the same. What is your name? Okay, and now we will write a response. Again, we need to write cout. Okay, and we will print. Okay, I will type my name is Milan. Okay, and now we need to finish with semicolon, and we simply want to write it. Let's run. We write it and want to run. Let's build and run, and as you can see, what is your name? And my name is Milan. But now you will ask me, but wait a second, we write it here, what is your name? And you write it here, my name is Milan. You use a new line. Yes, that's correct, but we deleted end line. This is command for the new line. When we type end line, and we don't need this semicolon because we have another here. This means for the new line, this line will ending, and we will starting the new line. And also we can use okay, I will left as it is now. let's build and run. As you can see, okay, what is your name? My name is Milan. Okay, and I need to, okay, I will type something else, see out, and okay, I am learning C++. Okay, I will finish with semicolon. And now what I okay, if I use build and run, okay, what is your name? We have a what is your name, a question, and we have an end line, and we have other two lines, but we didn't have an end line. We have it is all together. My name is Milan and I'm learning C++. Okay, and okay, and I can simply but I will show you another okay, if I put here end line, it will be separated, but there is one more way. If I can simply type here, okay, my name is Milan, and we can use dot, and we can use slash. Just a second, where is the slash? Okay, here is the slash, and n. Probably you know this slash n if you watched my previous Java tutorial, and we can use a build and run. Okay, if we okay, and now as you can see, what is your name? My name is Milan and I am learning C++. It is this slash n is the second way. Is the second way for the new line, but maybe it is better. Of course you can use it, but maybe it is better. It is better to use end line. But I just wanted to show you. Okay, it is the end line, and maybe if you want, you can, of course, you can use slash n. Maybe slash n is better to use inside that text that you are printing. And here we will also write just a little space, and I will delete this semicolon from here and end line. And now I will simply click a run button, build, and if I run, but nothing will be changed because I didn't use build and run. If we always want to run our currently code, if we are changing the code and we are simply going to run, it will run previous code before we change it. And if now I use build and run, as you can see, what is your name? My name is Milan and I am, and we have a new line. I am learning C++ in new line, and this is because of this slash n. With this slash n, you can finish the text with this, and also you can separate text with this slash n. Maybe it is better use if you want to use using inside the text. Of course you can use it here, but it is up to you. I just wanted to show you. Now okay, and what I want to show you, we can comment. Okay, let's run this code again. Build and run. Okay, we have what is your name? My name is Milan in the new line, and new third line is I'm learning C++. Okay, but what if I don't want? I want only to be right. I don't want to this I'm learning C++ be printed, but I don't want to delete it. Well, there is a solution. We can use, as we in any other languages. Maybe you know from the other languages, and maybe you don't if this is your first programming language. we can simply comment something. And how can we comment something? Simple. We can use, if we don't want to this I am learning this line of code not to be printed, or just want to comment it, we will type // okay. And if now, as you can see, the color, it is like a ghost. And now let's build and run. If now we build and run, okay, what is your name? And my name is Milan, and I am learning C++ is commented in and not will be printed. And I will show you again now. If you want to this second line to be commented, okay, it's commented, and let's build and run. And now we have only a question. But now there is a situation when you will have maybe 50 lines, and every line you will use a // you are using to comment just one line. If you want to comment more lines, you can use / and star. And when you want, but now it's all commented, and when you want to stop, you can use, okay, you can use here, it is better, / star and /. As you can see, these two lines are commented, and with this we can comment as many lines as we want. Okay, I just wanted, and just to try again, build and run. As you can see, we have only what is your name. Okay, I think that you understand it. Now we can delete this comment. And now you will gonna ask me why we will comment something, and it is better just not to. Why will I type it and after I will comment it? Well, now if you are beginner, it's more difficult to understand, but when you become a pro, you will create a big large application, and someone else, and you will probably will not work alone, and somebody will work with you, and of course he will need to read this code, and maybe if something is difficult, some difficult operation if you are doing, you will need to write comments to your that other people that work with you can read this code. Okay, and I really hope that you understanding this, and I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you like my video, you can click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in the next tutorial.